in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got lips, some of us won't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in a media road. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my.
Welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Icon Beauty Supply. The unit is from the brand Outre and it's from their Melted Hairline collection. And I got her in the style Lianne and in the color DR4/Deep Paprika Red. If you want to find out my thoughts and opinions on this unit, continue to watch. But of course, before we get into the video, make sure you're subscribed and also make sure you're following me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Tan Dotson. But let's get into the video now.
You say you want me, I don't ignore you. You said it first, but I did it more, girl. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You got potential, I can't explain it. It's so persuasive, I made some changes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Where were you this whole time? Come and see me now, not another time. You should come and see me on the regular. I don't know if we'll find a better time. Where were you this whole time? Come and see me now, not another time. You should come and see me on the regular. I don't know if we'll find a better time. Cause I've been sleeping with a pistol in my bed. I'd rather have you here instead. I gotta get out of my own head. Don't let me down right now. Yeah. Don't let me down, come here right now. Grow up and face it, don't keep me waiting. You love me how you love me, then just say it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Girl, what's the hold up? Come take me over. You came the closest, we should be closer. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Cause I've been sleeping with a pistol in my bed. I'd rather have you here instead. I gotta get out of my own head. Don't let me down, come here right now. Yep. Don't let me down, come here right now.
Okay, so let's talk about Miss Lianne from Outre. But actually, before we even get into the video, or not get into the video because we're technically already into the video, before we start talking about Miss Lianne, the lighting is different. I'm using daylight lighting, the natural light, the light from my window basically. So let me know if this isn't your first video of mine. Let me know if you like this lighting better or if you like my typical lighting better. I don't know, I'm kind of in between on which one I like better. This one, using natural light, I don't know, to me it's like the lighting goes in and out, so it doesn't stay consistent throughout the video. I don't know, that's my opinion, but I just wanted to talk about that, not necessarily address it because it's not really anything to address. But okay, let's get back to the unit. According to the stock card, this unit is said to have soft HD transparent lace, and I would agree with that. I went in with my foundation and put that on top of the lace in the front, and then I also took my bronzer powder on top of it, I guess to set the foundation, and blended it in, and I feel like that made the unit pretty transparent for the most part, or the lace transparent for the most part. So I'm just getting started and I already can't talk, bless it. But as far as the parting goes, I usually like to use my even lace tint, but I've ran out of that, so I need to make my way to the beauty supply store. But I just went in with my powder and I feel like it's blending fairly well. It's also said to have a 5-inch deep parting space, and I would agree with that as well. But one thing I do want to mention about the parting space is that there is a little line, and it's basically the thread that's running across the unit. Now I want to say I'm wrong, but I don't feel like in my other melted hairline units I have thread running across the parting space. I don't know, this one could have been just a mistake that was made, but yeah, it's kind of, yeah, I want to say you can see it. I tried to cover it up with as much powder as possible, and that's why it's probably like a little bit lighter compared to the rest of the parting space, but nonetheless, there is a 5-inch deep parting space. It's also said to have a completely pre-plucked hairline and sideburns. Now, if you are new to this channel, please know that I typically do not pluck synthetic units, but I told myself that I really want to try to get into it this year, so I figured I would start with this one, and I'm not mad about it. Now, in my opinion, after plucking this unit, I would say that this unit is not pre-plucked. As you can see on the right side, this is what they are considering pre-plucked, and on the left side is what I have plucked. And honestly, I'm not a plucker like I just stated, so therefore I feel like I could have plucked more. On the stock card, it also says that it has a pre-attached wide elastic band for a secure fit. I agree with that. Also, the natural baby hairs, it does come with baby hairs if I'm thinking correctly. I showed you earlier, and if not, I'll be showing you right now. And then it also says that it has a redesigned comfort fit ear contour. I believe I also showed you guys how much parting space, or not parting space, I'm sorry, how much lace there is and how it goes ear to ear, and I feel like that is quite a lot of ear space, or not ear space, lace space. Why can't I not talk? The texture of this unit does seem to be a light yaki texture. She kind of looks like she'd be silky, but the feel of her feels very light yaki-ish. She is about 24 inches long. Well, not about 24 inches long. According to the stock card, it says that she is 24 inches long. And as far as her being big head friendly or not, I would say that she is big head friendly. The twists that I have underneath here are almost a month old. I need to wash my hair. Don't judge me. And so I was kind of worried about whether she was going to fit or not, but she fits very nicely, and I feel like I have a little bit of extra room. This unit does come in multiple colors, and again, I did get the DR4/Deep Paprika Red. I think this is one of their newer colors, but I could be wrong. I don't know. I'm here for it, but I'm not here for it. If you haven't noticed, I don't typically do red hair, and it's because, I don't know, I just don't feel like I really look good in red hair. I feel like this is doing a little bit too much. Maybe if she was straight with the same dark root and the same color, maybe if she was straight, I'd be a little bit more comfortable with her, but I don't know, I feel like this is doing just a little bit too much for me and my style. I want to step out of my comfort zone, and that's exactly why I chose this color, but I also wanted to step out of my comfort zone when it came to plucking the unit. Like I said earlier, I don't typically pluck my units, my synthetic units especially, so for me to do this and for me to do it on camera, it's like, okay, don't come for me, don't judge me, this is my first time. So if anything, offer me tips and tricks in the comment section below, but don't be too hard on me, okay? Now, about the tangling and shedding on this unit, she's doing both. Anytime I pull on the hair, like just at the ends of it, I am getting strands. I don't know if you can really see that, but yes, I'm getting strands. And as far as the tangling part, again, I don't know if you can really see, but she is starting to mat up, why did I say mat up at the nape of my neck. Maybe that's why I said mat up, because I was about to say nape of neck. But yeah, I would definitely keep that in mind, and it's also kind of expected whenever it is a colored curly longer unit. As far as the price of this unit, on Icon Beauty Supply, she does retail for $50.49, but if you plan on picking up one of the specialty colors, expect to pay about a $2 upcharge. But yeah, overall, I do think that the unit is cute. I just feel like she's just a little bit too much for me and my style. Like, I don't know, maybe if I either straightened her or had I gotten her in a 1B or 2, you know, a natural color. I don't know, but I love the red. I think the red is so pretty. It just doesn't look good on me. I don't know. I don't know. You guys let me know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also make sure you subscribe before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They are both at @Dotson. Huge shout out and huge thank you again to Icon Beauty Supply for sending over this unit for me to review. It is much appreciated. I'll make sure to have a direct link to her in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Where were you this whole time? Come and see me now.